Yep. Oh. Nice! Hey everyone. So today we're at the school property again. Sorry, I was just taking a little break from uploading because I was just being lazy, I felt like I needed to take a little break and then, just kind of enjoy myself. Remember when I caught that thing running back in April? Oh, it's running again. Oh, wait. Oh, they're actually on. They're on in cool mode. This one's not on. This thing was running back in April. Remember this thing was running in cool mode? Has a Copeland scroll compressor. It doesn't have a logo on it because it might have fallen off or something. Gentech motor. There's a reversing valve. Has not been running. It's 2011 3-ton. November 2011. And these are actually on right here. It's cool.
I'm finding myself purposely.
Oh, nice.
Oh, God.
That one's the only one running so far. This one I caught defrosting back in March when it was stowing. I might get started off if this thing turns on. There's a reversing valve. And it has a Copeland Emerson scroll right there. You can see it. Pretty mossy too. It's a 5-ton from 2020. I don't think it has been running. That's a Broad Ocean fan motor. There's a sticker on there. That one's the only one running in cool mode. This one, I also caught this one. Oh wow, that one's vibrating. This one, those plates. This one I also caught defrosting. Is a reversing valve. It has an LG scroll, unfortunately. So, yeah. It's been running from 2017. It's 3-ton. This one's in cool mode. That's all cold and sweaty a little bit. That's from 2017 3-ton. That one also has an LG scroll. And there's a reversing valve, and it's pretty noisy. Gentech motor. I've never caught this one defrosting before. Hopefully I can catch it again this winter. Or catch it, no. What did I say again? So, oh, you can actually hear the LG scroll from this angle in the front of all these 3 heat pumps. You can actually hear it a little bit. And it just shut off. Well, there's a shutdown of this thing in cool mode. And right there you can see the LG scroll. Yep. Oh. Nice! I finally got a start up with this thing. Nice. This thing just turned on in cool mode. This one over here just shut off, and this one just turned on in cool mode. Nice. It's the first ever startup of this thing. I've never ever got this thing starting up. Yep, there's the compressor. I like the compressor sound. It's a Broad Ocean fan motor, like I just said. It's from 2020 5-ton, and yep, January 2020. And it's already cold. Oh my gosh, it's really cold. Wow, nice. Got a startup. All right, let's go check on the 2009 Carriers. Nice, I got to start up that one. That one has a nice scroll sound. I like that. So nice when it was defrosting back in March. Nice. I gotta start up with that 2022. Finally. I haven't ever seen that thing starting up. Alright, let's go check on the 2009 carriers. So that's when I got my wish. Well, I got my wish for those three. I gotta start up in that cool mode. I did not expect it to turn on. It's funny, that 2017 one shut off and then that one turned on. Oh, they are running. I can hear them. Let's get down here. I think just one or two is just running. This one's running. It's just this one. This one don't sound too good. This one doesn't really sound too good, to be honest. Has a Copeland scroll right there, and a GE motor. Actually, doesn't have a. That's all cold and sweaty, and that's disgusting. That spider web. It's from 2009. It's a 5-ton. That thing does not sound too good. And then usually, yeah, this thing is exactly 13 years old. It's now June of 2022, and these are all off. None of these are running back here. These other 2009. This one caught defrosting with Carlos's phone, and they can catch it exiting. Oh, this one's a 4-ton. This one's also from 2009. This one I caught a defrost of back in March, and that was awesome. 2009 5-ton. This one actually has a logo on it, and this there's a bug there. It scared me. Pretty sure one of these could turn on, and it also has a Copeland scroll. Dentic motor. Yeah, it's from 2009. It's a 5-ton as well. June of 2009. Oh wait, hold on. No, this one has not been running. No, not either. Oh, this one actually has been running. I could get a startup later. What about the one over here? No. And no. But this thing has been running, so that's cool. So that thing's running in cool mode. Screenshot that when I go in to get a thumbnail. And I'll get these things. To screenshot of, I'll get a screenshot of that so you guys, so I can get a bunch of pictures. Not gonna actually take a picture, I'm just gonna look with my video and get a screenshot. Oh, cool that I got one over there starting. I think the 2021, I think this new one might be on. Yep, it sounds like it's on. It is. It's on. In cool mode. First time I've ever seen it. Copeland Emerson scroll. Yeah, this is a new one. This is a new one. Reversing valve. And to recap, it's 2021 5-ton. So close to making it to 2022, but whatever, that's all cold and sweaty. And to recap, this thing replaced an American Standard Heritage 15 heat pump that I caught defrosting on November 6th. Alright, so let's just hold it here so I can get a chance to take a screenshot. Right here. Perfect. Let's put that as a screenshot. Or actually, wait. Maybe I'll do it. Yeah, that's a better one. Let's get over to the ring. Nice. I'm getting my wish for these units in cool mode. So let's go check on that 2012 Rheem Classic that I've only caught ever running. I've never caught a startup of it. I'm still just geeking out about how I just caught that 2020 Carrier Comfort starting up at that right at that moment. That's fine. That's finally I got a startup of that thing. I was waiting to get a startup of that thing in cool mode or heat mode, and then here's it in cool mode in June. So that's nice. So let's go check on the Rheem, shall we? Nice. Alright, I'm gonna edit this part out, so I'll be right back. Oh, you know what? It might be on. Oh, never mind, it's not on. I'm still gonna film it, just cause, you know, why not? Protect motor. I don't think this thing has been running now. 2012, 5-ton. I was wrong about it being 4-ton. There's a capacitor right there, and there's a scroll. Let's reverse it out in there. Yeah, this thing unfortunately wasn't running, but I guess I'll make a video of it, because why not? Screenshot that as well. Let's go check on the York Affinity series unit that I caught running before. Remember that I caught that 2018 Carrier. Defrosting or starting up. Oh, there's a spider on my. This one I think might actually be on. No. Oh no, it's not on. Of course. This thing was running before. Get that out of there. York. Let's have a shield around that compressor, because there's no way in heck that compressor would be that big. And it's a heat pump. Climatic must be the installer of all these things. It's from 2014. It's a 5-ton. R4108 refrigerant. And let me get a picture or screenshot. Yeah, I'm too lazy to take pictures right now. Yeah, I want to go into PowerPoint and edit and take a screenshot when I'm looking at it. And I can crop the image and then I can just, you know, do so. I think the 2008, I think the 3.5-ton might be running from 2018. Let's go see. I've caught this thing running and it was frozen. The heck is in my shoe? I don't know what that is, but we're gonna go check on it. Oh, fortunately it's not running. Well, at least I'm catching some units in cool mode. There's nobody at this building, so I don't think it will turn on. Yes, as I say that, it might turn on. Yeah, this is a 3.5. This is the 3.5 ton. There was something on there. The carrier logo. LG scroll. That's not cool. Reversing valve. Could turn on any second. Is Bright Ocean fan mode. Yep, 2018 3.5 ton. June of 2018. That's a little bit cold, so I guess it might have been running, but who knows. Let's go back and check on these one more time. See if any others turned on over here. Whoa. So like groundhogs. This 2011 carrier over there. Yo, there was like groundhogs just over here. There they are again. Oh, you know, I think that might have turned on. This one could have turned on. Oh no, never mind. It's still off. But I'm actually gonna picture of it. There we go. Just got a screenshot. Oh, this one turned off, and that one turned on. Let's get a picture of this one. Right here. Get a picture of all three of those. And I'll get it from the front as well. There's a carrier logo right there. Get these from the front angle as well. So anyways, here it is running in full mode. You can hear the LG scroll sound a little bit. This thing I got starting up earlier. Now it's off. It's not cold. Just a little bit. There's this thing running in full mode. Holy crap, sorry. Oh my god. Scared the crap out of me. Has an LG scroll. Yeah, it has an LG scroll. So this crap in here. Let's get that out. 2017 3 ton. And yep. It's all cold, sweaty. This thing was running before and then it shut off on camera and then this thing started up on camera, so yeah. That's cool, I guess. I'll get it from the back side as well. And then the other side of it I'll get to as well. Get a picture of that. This one. So, well, I guess I'm gonna have a million screenshots to get. This thing isn't running. Alright, so there they are. There they were in cool mode. So I guess. Oh, actually, wait. No, never mind. Maybe if the thing. No. I'm not. Actually, wait. Guys, just wait up. I'm gonna go. I'll be right back. I'm gonna see if any others kicked on with the 2009. I think some more kicked on. Might have. No. And it just shut off. Glad I came back down here. Alright, so. Alright, let's get going. So, that was it. There was a running cool mode. Oh, that one turned off. That looks like that one shut off over there. Alright, well anyways. Over and out, I guess.
Oh.